Welcome, friends. Welcome to Quality Live India. Today we learn about the 3M. 3M is a basically Japanese culture, Japanese name. 3M means Muda, where waste. Muda means waste. Waste is anything which is a non-value added activity. Waste is rework and re-inspection. Supervision is also a waste. Delivering for the customer, where delivering is not a part of the process, but we do debriefing for just for the sake for the customer satisfaction. So this is also a waste. And primary and second operation is a waste. We will learn all these things in details in coming slides. At a glance, we can understand this 3M is completely waste, which is customer is not paying for us. These all our activities are waste. This is called Muda. 3M is Japanese concept, which means 3M stand for Muda, Mura, and Muri. Muda is waste, that is Japanese, and English name is waste. Second M is Mura, that is imbalance, and third M is Muri, fatigue. We will learn in detail about the Muda, waste. Friends, there are 7 types of wastes. We will see in detail in coming slides. So these 7 types of wastage or Muda is Muda of overproduction, number 1. Number 2 is Muda of stores like inventories. We can understand by inventory. This is also a Muda. Muda of transport, Muda of waiting, and Muda of operation. These all are the wastage. We will learn in detail in coming slide. Muda of movement of workers, Muda of defects. Friend, now we will learn in detail of Muda of overproduction. The Muda of overproduction is central of other the wastage. It leads the other wastage because of if it overproduction, then it create the stocks. This is the second types of wastage. If we'll do overproduction and suppose if any defect will be there, so defect quantity will be more just because of overproduce. So this is the another types of wastage. So we should avoid overproduction. We should produce product as per the customer requirement, as per the schedule only. The reason of overproduction is we need to be safe side, avoid the failure like machine failure, material failure, manpower absenteeism, like this. And we want to create, we want to show our own efficiency that we can produce more product. So this is the reason of overproduction. Overproduction is a will we create a problem for availability of container, problem for the space. It's lead to the other mudas like defect. If more produce, then handling is more. If handling is more, then there is a chance of defect will be more. Overstacking lead. This overproduction may lead to accident. Overproduction is leads to imbalance like Mura. Imbalance means There not a single piece flow, stock will be generated. So these are the defects, and Muda of overproduction is leads to all other the wastage. Friends, second wastage is Muda of stock. If more stock, your space will be more, this will take space more, inventory more. This is the result of overproduction. The reason for of this stocks is laziness, and if stock is more, then it will kill your creativity because of improvement is not required because of customer satisfaction. You easily fulfill by the delivery of product on the time because you have inventory. So creativity, just kill your creativity to find the solution. This inventory is prevent improvement like setup improvement, quality improvement, single setup, more quality, breakdown, etc. So inventory is also very dangerous muda for any organization. The third one is muda of transport, moving part from intermediate location and not to final result is isolate Iceland. So minimum transportation, minimum conveyance which lead to good quality and good value adding activity because of if minimum transportation is reduced, the chances of damage of the part, deterioration of the part. So value stream mapping is a very important tool for avoiding this type of muda. So value stream mapping we can understand the transportation in between coming from the supplier to dispatch, and we'll do value stream mapping properly so we can reduce the transportation and reduce the muda of transportation and reduce the muda of defects, transportation damage and deterioration of the product. Friends, next muda is muda of waiting. This is very common muda in any industry because waiting is more. Always you can say, always waiting is very much high, and here operator is waiting, material is waiting. So waiting time is not given the any value added activity. They just stand idle. So if we want to improve efficiency of the organization, so we need to avoid and we need to eliminate or maximum reduce the muda of waiting. Like waiting for man when the when men will come, when material will come, when machine will be free from the next product, next process, ideal time, downtime, operative watching time, machine work time. These are all the waiting time. Startup time, setup time, searching time. So a different tool we can say we have for reduce and eliminate the muda of waiting. Friend, next muda is muda of operation. If you work in press shop, you can say before starting the press shop, the ideal press is doing for the correct position. So this ideal press is a muda of operation. If you see the CNC machine, their air cutting will be there, air cutting in travel. This air cutting is also Muda of operation. So customer is not paying for this air cutting. The customer is not paying for ideal stroke. We are doing some deburring because of removing some bars, chips. So customer is not paying for deburring. If this is not a process, this is not a part of the process. So this is also a wastage. Leakage of air, water, oil, handling chips, unsynchronized operation, tool break, equipment, machine overrun. These all are the muda of operation. This is all calling the muda of operation. Friends, we can reduce it, but we can't eliminate. So there is some essential non-value added activity we can reduce but not eliminated. This is some example of this type of non-value added activity. Friends, next is muda of movement of worker. The movement of worker is how he is moved to his working area, like how he is walking, lifting, picking, carrying, bending. This will create fatigue of the operator. If this is properly not ergonomically, so this will create the fatigue to the operator. Searching of tools and parts, internal external activity in setup. In internal external activity in setup, we can understand this in detail in single minutes exchange of die. This is a best tool. This is best tool to reduce the setup time in single minutes. So these are also wastage of movement of worker. Friends, last defect is muda of defect. Last waste is muda of defect. Muda of defect is defect generate of the product which is not useful for the customer. This is not fulfill the quality requirement. So all the cost of the process, cost of the manufacturing, waste. So defect is very dangerous for any organization. So we should try the first time okay product and defect free process and defect free product we need to produce at first time. Yes. Friends, if defect is generated, then we have two options. Either we should rework of this product or scrap. In both the cases, customer will not pay us for money, which leads to negative impact in our organization. So defects should be avoided, and our process should be strengthened that product should defect free produce. Thank you. If you like our video, please like and comment. So please do comments so we can improve quality of our video. Thank you.